Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2020 Toyota Corolla. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, fully automatic headlights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.